Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage topics on TikTok to customize your feed to see more or less of the content you like. If you want to manage your topics on TikTok, to get to these settings, what you have to do is to go to your TikTok profile, click on the three dots, go to settings and privacy, click on content preference. Now click on manage topics. Here you're going to see all the variety of topics TikTok has to offer. From top to bottom, we have creative arts, dance, fashion and beauty, food and drinks, health and fitness, humor, lifestyle, nature, pets, sports, and travel. If you click on the information button, it's going to tell you what these contents are all about. For travel, this type of content typically includes clips of travel vlogs and other travel-related content. If you click on creative arts, it says this type of content typically includes painting, drawing, graphics design, and art-related tutorials. Now, if you want to manage your topics to customize your feed, here's what you have to do. Let's say, for example, you like watching dance video. All you have to do is to drag the slider to the right. If you want to see more of dance videos, you drag the slider to the far right. Now TikTok is going to push more dance video to your feed. If you don't like seeing videos of fashion and beauty, all you have to do is to drag the slider to the left. If you don't want to see any video about fashion and beauty at all, you drag the slider to the far left. So now you get the idea. This is how you customize your feed and manage your topics. If you're a foodie and you like seeing video of food and drinks, you drag the slider to the far right. So once you are done tweaking your interest, what you have to do is to click on save. Your preference will be updated. From now on, TikTok is going to push the content you like to see on your feed. So that's how you manage your topics on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.